It's day 2 and surprisingly enough, trains are still running perilously close to the site of the collapsed building here in Tongaat. Search and rescue teams seen here using sniffer dogs trying to find those believed to be buried under this rubble. That's how the day began, when this shopping mall under construction suddenly collapsed on Tuesday afternoon. It left at least one person dead and scores injured. And so, as you can see there, the search and rescue operations have been suspended here at this construction site to allow the heavy equipment that is needed to come and lift these heavy concrete blocks that have crumbled when this building collapsed yesterday. According to the mayor, the municipality never approved any plans for the construction of the mall. The court ordered construction work to stop as far back as September.
This municipality was very clear that they should not allow this. Falling short of the municipality coming in there to break this down, they could not, but they followed all the legal processes. So now, if someone disrespects the court interprets law, then there's something that must be done.
The police told the BBC that search and rescue operations have been suspended to allow more heavy lifting equipment to the mangled concrete and steel site. A homicide case has been opened, and the contractor is yet to express his thoughts in public following the collapse of his project. Milton Nkosi, BBC News, Tongaat.